Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about the Moto G55 5G, which is expected to launch in India by January 2025. While it's already available in Europe, the Indian version will come with similar features. In this video, we'll cover everything about the Moto G55 5G, specifications, features, design, performance, pricing, and more. So stay tuned till the end and make sure to like this video if you find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. The Moto G55 5G offers two build options for you to choose from: an eco-leather back for that premium feel, or a plastic back for a lightweight and durable alternative. You'll also get a plastic frame and a Gorilla Glass 5 front, which offers excellent protection for the screen. What's impressive is the IP52 water repellent rating, which means it can withstand light splashes and sweat, perfect for daily usage. You won't have to worry about accidental spills or rain. This phone comes in three stunning colors: gray, green, and purple. Each one has its own unique appeal, making it not only functional, but also stylish. The slim bezels and minimal chin give it a sleek and modern look, which is something that you'll really appreciate when you hold it in your hand. Overall, the build and design quality of the Moto G55 5G looks premium without being too flashy. Now let's dive into the display. The Moto G55 5G comes with a 6.49-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. It's the perfect size. Not too big, not too small, making it easy to use with just one hand. For those who enjoy watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media, this display is a treat. You'll get a 405 ppi pixel density, ensuring that the visuals are crisp and vibrant, even in detailed content. One of the most exciting things about the display is the 120 Hz refresh rate, paired with a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. This means the phone will feel super smooth when you're navigating through apps or playing games. The Widevine L1 certification ensures you can stream HD content seamlessly, and there's a possibility of HDR support for enhanced video watching. Under the hood, the Moto G55 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 725 chipset, built on a 6nm process. This chipset strikes a perfect balance between performance and power efficiency, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. In benchmark tests, it scores around 5 lakh in Antutu, which is impressive for the price point this phone will be at. Since it's built on a 6nm architecture, you can expect good energy efficiency, which means longer battery life, and better thermal management. The phone won't overheat even during extended use, which is a big plus for those who like to game or multitask for long periods. Now let's talk about gaming. The Dimensity 725 chipset is capable of handling casual gaming quite well. For everyday games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty, you can expect smooth gameplay at around 40 FPS, which is great for a mid-range phone. It may not handle high-end games at ultra settings, but for casual gaming, it's more than capable. You also get LPDDR4X RAM here, which ensures smooth multitasking. Whether you're switching between apps, browsing the web, or managing multiple tasks, the phone will handle it without any hiccups. So, if you're someone who uses their phone for both productivity and entertainment, this phone will definitely meet your needs. Now, let's discuss the camera. The Moto G55 5G features a solid 48-megapixel primary camera. This camera is capable of capturing stunning details in both daylight and low light. The colors are natural, and the sharpness is impressive for the price range. It's a camera that offers good versatility, whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, or everyday snapshots. Alongside the 48-megapixel main sensor, you also get a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which helps with portrait shots, giving them a nice bokeh effect. While it's not the most advanced camera system in the market, it offers good performance for the price point, especially for users who enjoy taking photos for social media. Talking about battery life, the Moto G55 5G packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for daily use. You can expect up to a full day of usage without needing to plug in the charger. Whether you're browsing, watching videos, or gaming, this phone can keep up without draining the battery too quickly. As for charging, the phone supports 33 watts fast charging. With this feature, you can top up the battery quickly, so even if you're in a rush, you won't have to wait long for a decent charge. A full charge typically takes around 1 to 1.5 hours, which is quite efficient for a phone in this price range. The Moto G55 5G will come with Android 14 out of the box, providing you with the latest software features. Motorola is known for keeping its software close to stock Android, so you'll get a clean, bloatware-free experience. Plus, you can expect timely security updates and software upgrades, which is always a good thing in this segment. Additionally, Motorola includes a few of its Moto features, like Moto Display, Moto Actions, and Moto Game Time, which enhance the user experience. These features allow for quick gestures, screen customizations, and a smoother gaming experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Moto G55 5G will likely be priced between $15,000 to $18,000 in India, making it a great budget-friendly option with 5G support, solid performance, and good camera capabilities. It will compete against other phones in this segment, like the Realme Narzo 65G, Redmi Note 13, and iQOO Z9S. Overall, the Moto G55 5G looks like a very solid option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone. With its premium design, smooth display, solid performance, and good camera for the price, it stands out in the budget segment. The 5,000 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging are great additions that make it even more appealing. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this breakdown of the Moto G55 5G useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.